All just want to be big rock stars, don't we? I don't. My name's already famous somewhere else, far above here. How you doing, y'all? Check it out. We're getting her together. Adjusting and tuning and locking things down as we go. So I know it don't look like it's a whole bunch done, but there's a lot of work in just this bit right here. You know, wiring, we're using those crazy little clips. As a tech guy, I used to poo-poo this stuff. Now I'm using it all up, man. Oh, man. So, yeah, we got to bleed the rear system yet, but we'll do that tomorrow morning, or tomorrow. It'll be Saturday. Today's Friday the 13th. Ooh, Friday the 13th? Let me make sure. I think it is. It is Friday, December 13th. So tomorrow and Saturday we'll get out here and we'll bleed that rear system and get that squared away. Our front system already working, so good there. We'll bleed those rears and get that all squared away. Then we can drop the seat in, get the radiator on, and then we can actually go and motor and all that stuff too. Got to work on. We got the plastic bumper set up here, so we got to work on some cutting some pieces to fit on either side, because the little. I bought the stuff off of Facebook, and it didn't come with all the spacers and all that kind of stuff. The stuff that I had with it. That came with it with the tube bumper. These things are beat to death, man. We'll see. We'll see what we can find, and we'll get a little mini lathe running over there, and we'll cut something over there. But that after we get engine pipe, then we'll fit the because we don't want to get the bumper on and then not leave ourselves enough room for the giant helicopter muffler. Not sure we're even going to use this. Not sure if we're going to use this. I mean, it is cool, and I've had it for a while. But we did bring the other one in. What did I do with the other one? We brought the other one in with us the other day. It's carbon as well. It was made by Magic Mike or whatever, the bike guy. Yeah, I know I brought it in here. It's got to be here somewhere. Anyway, it's red carbon, and it's a 125 silencer. We've had it sitting around for a while. He gave me a bunch of them. I gave a couple to Jerry Eccles. Hey, Jerry, how's it going? Jerry got a couple at the Mosquito Festival way back at Pittsburgh, when Pittsburgh was just the original course. So yeah, we've had that kind of stuff for a while. So maybe we'll use that one. I mean, we don't got to follow no rules. It's a track day kart, right? So we can put a loud muffler on it if we want. You know, I mean, we'll see. We'll just have to see how something like this fits in there. But we got some sheet metal. We're going to go ahead and fix this thing up, clean it, fix it up. There's a lot of rust on the inside of that thing, but I mean, what do you want for nothing, right? We got it for free. We want to be able to leave ourselves enough room to get that thing in here. So she's coming back together, folks. She's coming back together. I'm excited. I'm excited about it. Hang in there, y'all. Look, it's getting better as we speak. I like it. I like it. It's coming around. Love it when a plan comes together. Hang in here, y'all. We're praying for you. We'll bring you some more over the weekend.